Good morning from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Gaylord, Michigan. This is the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Wednesday, March the 19th, 2014. Looking at the hazardous weather highlights for the next several days, the main hazardous weather is expected over the next 24 hours or so. First off, some light to moderate snow is expected across eastern upper Michigan today and tonight. And of course that will produce some slick travel and reduced visibilities. A light wintry mix that includes some rain, sleet, possibly a little freezing rain, and snow will occur across parts of northern lower Michigan here this morning. And once again, the main impact slick travel and especially on back roads. And then additional snow and gusty northwest winds are expected across northern Michigan later this afternoon through tonight and into Thursday morning. And once again with some slick travel and reduced visibilities. Looking at the weather recap for today, we do have an area low pressure that will lift up through northern lower Michigan here through the course of today and into tonight. This will draw some warm air up into parts of northern Michigan and will set the stage for a transition from mainly rain across the far southeast part of northern lower Michigan around Saginaw Bay and transitioning over to rain, sleet, and snow as you head toward the tip of the mid areas, and mainly snow across eastern upper Michigan. So a rather messy start to the day is expected as we get through the morning hours, but as the warmer air continues to push up into northern Michigan here today, much of the precipitation across northern lower Michigan will change over to mainly just rain as temperatures warm through the mid to upper 30s, possibly even into the 40s as we go through the afternoon hours. But as the area low pressure passes on through, and winds turn around back to the northwest, cold air will collapse back into northern Michigan, and this will change all remaining precip back over to snow later this afternoon and tonight across northern lower Michigan and eastern upper Michigan. We do expect a period of heavier light to moderate snow, across parts of northwest lower Michigan and eastern upper Michigan here tonight, as those gusty northwest winds bring colder air back down into the region. As it stands right now, the highest impact weather is expected across eastern upper Michigan, with that persistent snow occurring today and through tonight, where snow accumulations ranging from 2 to perhaps up to 5 inches is expected. And that's a combined total today and tonight across eastern upper Michigan. Across northern lower Michigan, again, a little bit messy travel here possible this morning as the precipitation begins, but with temperatures warming and precipitation changing to mainly rain, we're not anticipating much of an travel impact as we get through the afternoon, but some heavier snow showers for tonight will once again produce some slick travel conditions and low visibilities across northern lower Michigan. Well, that concludes this hazardous weather briefing for today. Thanks for listening in. The next update will occur around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.